are you here as part of the cast for the movie, or just here for moral support with some friends?
We're supporting our friends.
Yeah, we're actually here for support.
And supporting anime, and also, I like Fate a lot.
Yeah, it's a really good franchise, so honestly, we're kind of here as fans.
It's been a long time, so it's really exciting to see a movie.
For this event, was there anything that stood out to you at all?
I don't know if you're getting any of this, but the architecture of the space really fits the franchise.
How's that whole
Like even the feeling.
It seems almost like, I don't know much about the venue in general, but it almost seems like an old church. So it's really beautiful in here. And something about that really strikes true to the core of the franchise.
Yeah.
So
It feels really fancy.
Yeah.
So we're here on for the U.S. premiere of the movie, and what are your thoughts about the event so far?
Well, it's beautiful, and they couldn't have picked a better venue for it. You know, it's got such a great gothic feel in here. It's pretty cool. I was actually in Japan when they were launching the movie in Japanese, so it's really neat to be coming here and now getting a chance to see the work that we did on the film.
Well, that's wonderful. So, my understanding is you're one of the main characters in the movie, am I right?
You know, I think she pops up a little bit in this one, so I'm eager to see how it all comes together. I never get to see everything when I'm in the studio, so getting to come to this and watch it is as much a surprise for me as it is for the fans.
What's probably something that you enjoy, or maybe some things that drive you crazy about being in voice acting?
You know, it could be a little hard not to be able to use the rest of your body to convey the character, so that's always a little tricky. And you can't scream at concerts, so.
Finally, is there anything that you'd like to say to any of your fans that may be watching this video right now?
Well, you know, I wouldn't be here without the fans, so to all the fans out there, thank you so much for being with me on this journey in anime, and I'm so excited for you guys to see the finished film.
The associate producer of Heaven's Field, Mr. Yuma Tanahashi!
I'm gonna ask for your opinion. How did you feel doing tonight?
You know, I really like doing this stuff personally. Like, I'm blessed basically to be working in the industry and to be able to do events like this, especially with the Fate fans. It's a different kind of energy than, you know, with any of our other titles. But yeah, these fans have been waiting for this film for a long time, and for them to see this film in this theater, I'm blown away. Like me, I'm just humbled that you guys all came out. You know, you all came out. You bought stuff, you talked about Fate, you laughed at my corny jokes, and you watched the movie. And I was out there as I was cleaning up the store, and I was like, dang, they are all into it. And I really enjoyed that.